Wow, what is this, Bibe?
Oh, it's in milk.
It's caterpillar.
Power.
Yes. Etong mga to, this is the small letters, baby letters. Tatatandaan mo yon, baby letters. Ito naman yung big letters, mommy letters, okay? Ito, gusto ko hanapin mo yung mommy niya, okay? Okay po?
Yeah.
Oh, what color is this?
Orange.
Oh, what letter?
It's A.
Very good. Yes. I-connect mo sila kay mami. Kuha ka ng pen dito o kuha ka ng pen. Come on, kuha ka ng pen. Anong color nila?
It's orange.
Very good. Oh. Very good. Connect mo si mami at baby letters. Yan. Big and small letters. Oh, anong color ito?
It's yellow.
Ang yellow yung kinuha mo eh. Anong letter?
Oh.
It's letter?
B.
Very good. Sige nga, connect mo nga.
It's yellow.
O, asan ang sa mami niya pala? Asan ang big letters niya? Very good.
Yellow.
Connect mo sila. Oh, next. Anong letter ito?
Oh. Oh, it's B.
Tinitingnan mo yung colors ni mami. Very good Ang galing ng technique niya. Okay, very good. Great.
It's D.
Yes, good job. Alam niya yung technique
Green.
Yes. Anong letter ulit?
Oh.
What letter is this?
It's D.
Very good.
Color green.
Okay. Kaya pala alam niya, tinitingnan yung color ni mami.
Meow.
Yes. Sorry. Dahan-dahan kasi pag alis ng cup. Tinitingnan niya yung straight mo lang Huwag mo ganun-ganun para hindi What letter is the next?
Oh.
What letter is this?
E.
Tinitingnan niya yung very good.
Yay!
May technique ka.
Color purple.
Okay. Tinitingnan mo yung colors nila pero very good din yun
Yeah.
Pero dapat kabisado mo din tong mga small letters nila.
Yeah.
O, connect mo siya.
Yeah. Yeah.
Huwag kang ganyan straight lang. Do not do that. Isa. Bibe, straight lang. Oh, what letters next?
Oh.
Letter F.
F.
F. This one, F.
Yeah.
Yeah, ito si small letter F. Ito si big letter F. Oh, connect mo siya.
Mommy, it's color.
This one blue.
Blue.
Oh, this one that blue. This one with blue. One.
This one.
Okay, go.
This one.
Kahit anong blue, di ko na alam yung ginamit ko. Oh, straight lang. Ayoko ng paliko-liko. Oh, like that. Oh, next. What letter is this?
Oh.
No, it's ano to?
It's G.
Oh, this one, the small letter G. Ito yung mommy. Ito yung baby. Oh, connect mo na sila.
I'm a baby.
Yes, you are baby.
You are mommy.
Yes po. Oh, connect mo na si letter. What letter is this?
Oh, G.
Oh, this one. G then. G.
G.
Oh, go. Connect mo sila.
It's called red.
Yes.
Red, red, red. Red, red, red. Here.
Nope. What letter is this?
L.
This one. This is letter M. Mali. Ay, naku. Oh, what letter is this? Next. Oh, ito yung mommy niya. Oh, anong letter is this?
T.
No, H. Kalimutan na naman niya. Ito si small H.
Mommy, dragon.
Ito.
Mommy, dragon.
Oh, why? Ito.
H.
Oh, very good. Big.
Mommy, big H.
Very good. Ito small.
Small H.
Oh, go. Anong color nila?
Gray.
Very good. Wait a minute. Continue natin. Lumabas si Kabi.
Gray.
Sino si Kabi?
Alaba siya.
Labas si Kabi, your cat.
Mommy is gray. There's gray, Mommy.
Very good. Ang diin naman.
Yay!
Buti na lang maganda yung ano natin. Makapal. Oh, anong next na letter? Oh, what is this?
L. S. I.
This is the baby I. Tingnan mong maigi. I. That is I, okay? Small I.
Small.
This is big I. Oh, connect mo na siya.
What's your name?
Yes. Very good. What color is that?
Color purple. Let's take it. Color purple. Cute. Mommy, color purple.
Yes. Careful. Very good. Oh, what letters next? What letter is this? Which letter?
It's water. E.
J.
J.
Yes.
J.
Oh, connect mo na siya. Connect mo
Color
na.
green.
Yes. Connect mo na ang mommy at
There's color. There's a color, Mommy.
Next. What letter is this?
Oh. It's L.
Very good. Tinitingnan mo yung ano eh. Kabisado mo din to L. Ganun.
L.
La. Connect mo na siya.
Mommy's color pink.
Okay po.
Mommy, there's color pink.
Very good.
Color pink. Oh.
Next time, di ko na sila pagkukulayin para alam mo. What letters next?
Hey. Yeah.
Very good. Ito naman tinitingnan mo, hindi naman ito. Ito dapat ni inaaral mo eh. What color si M?
It's color red.
Very good. Yes. Next, what letter is this?
N.
Very good. Madaya ka eh. Madaya ka.
Mommy's color yellow.
Oh, that's orange, not yellow.
Orange.
Very good. Next, what letter is this?
Oh.
Titingnan naman niya yung ano eh. Mommy letters eh.
U.
Yes, Q.
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 Connect mo na sila.
Mommy's color blue.
Yeah.
I like blue.
Power.
Blue. Color. Oh, my colors are better. Colors.
Where's Mommy's Q?
Color.
Where's Mommy Q?
Here.
Very good.
Mommy, that's big. Q.
Yeah.
That's baby Q.
Oh, you connect them, Garudo. Oh. Next letter. Next letter.
Oh. J.
R.
R.
Yeah, small R, big R. Bulol ka ba? Hindi mo ano yung R? Oh, connect mo na si R. Bulol. Bulol si baby. Hindi niya ma-pronounce yung R. R. Tama nga. R daw. R. R. Tama nga. R. Broom. Broom. Kaya mo naman. R. Oh, what letter is this? Oh, next na, last na.
M.
No, this is not M. Look. Look, see that, mommy. Oh, mommy letter, oh.
U.
Yeah, U double.
W.
Yeah, so this is baby. Oh, connect mo na si baby at mommy. Baby at Mimi, W. Yes. Very good.
Done.
Yay, done. Finish. Thank you, baby. Oh, say ano na, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.